My name is Sumit Sharma and I am a student of TKWS. Today I would like to tell you about debt versus equities in the simple way. So let's start. So debt versus equity. So debt instruments such as a bond and mortgages specify fixed payment, include interest to be investors. Equity investments such as a stock or securities that come with the claim or the earning and assets for the corporation. Common stock as a traded on the BSE or the other exchange in the most popular equity investment. Debt and equity investment come with the different historical return and the risk level. If we talk about debt, so debt investments to be less risky than equity investment, but usually offer a lower but more consistent return. They are less volatile than common stock, with fewer highs and the lows than stock market. The bond or mortgage market historically expensive, fewer prices exchange for better of both than stocks. Also, should a corporation be liquidate, bondholders are paid first. Mortgage investment, like the other debt instruments, come with started interest rate and are backed up by real estate collateral. If we talk about equity, so equities fortune can be made or lost with equity investment. Any stock market can be volatile with the rapid change in share values. Often these wide price swings are not based on the solidity of organization backing them up, but political, social, or governmental issues in the home country of the corporation. Equity investments are a classic example of taking on higher risky of loss in return of potentially higher rewards. If we talk about difference between debt versus equity, so debt instruments, whatever they may be called, are corporation borrowing. Instead of producing a straight commercial bank loan, the organization borrowed for a variety of investors. This is why debt instruments such as a bond come with a started interest rate as a loan would. Equity investment offer on your ownership position in the company. Owning stock makes the investor an owner of organization. If we talk about investment and goals, so depending on your investment goals, these differences may be strongly influence your preference. All investments come with a risk. However, debt instruments less risk than equity investment. Your investing targets may favor equity investment. If you are seeking striking growth of profit potential, so conventionally you might focus on debt instrument when you prefer consistent income and less risk. Tailor your investment action to match your objective and the risk tolerance. So let's talk about conclusion. Equity are the bit riskier than debt, are known to yield good return in the long run. So if you can stay for long term, so I would suggest you should invest in equities. If debt are the best suitable for the investor who have short term investment objective, so who can invest in debt, and you can consider approx 70-30 allocation of your amount, which is 70 in equity and 30% in debt. So I hope after watching this video you can understood difference between debt versus equity. Thank you.